Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're covering the biggest moves in the global stock market and the latest headlines investors are watching. Let's jump right in. U.S. Markets are showing signs of caution as investors continue to react to geopolitical tensions, inflation concerns, and major corporate developments. Stock futures opened nearly flat, suggesting traders are waiting for fresh economic data and earnings before making their next big moves. Technology stocks faced heavy selling pressure. Micron Technology dropped around 8%, making it one of the biggest losers in the semiconductor sector. Intel lost more than 4%, while Lam Research and Advanced Micro Devices, or AMD, each declined about 3%. The weakness in chip stocks reflects investor concerns about slowing demand and overall market uncertainty. In Asia, South Korea's central bank made a major policy decision by raising its benchmark interest rate by 25 basis points to 2.75%, marking the first rate hike in more than 3 years. The move comes after inflation accelerated, with consumer prices rising to their highest level since 2023. Higher interest rates are designed to control inflation, but they can also slow economic growth. Meanwhile, Australian mining giant BHP fell nearly 3% after reports suggested hundreds of workers at Port Hedland could begin a labor strike. The company is negotiating a new 4-year labor agreement, and any disruption could affect mining operations. Despite the labor concerns, BHP also announced a $900 million investment in its Western Australia iron ore business and said cost controls remain strong despite inflation and supply chain challenges. Across the Asia-Pacific region, markets traded mostly lower. South Korea's Kospi index led the losses, falling more than 5%, while Japan's Nikkei 225 dropped over 2%. Hong Kong futures pointed to a stronger opening, while Australia's market remained relatively stable. India's Nifty 50 managed to stay in positive territory, showing resilience compared with several other regional markets. In corporate earnings, United Airlines slipped in after-hours trading despite reporting better-than-expected quarterly results. Investors focused on weaker profit guidance and higher projected fuel costs. On the other hand, J.B. Hunt Transport Services surged after posting earnings above expectations, supported by stronger demand for its transportation services. Overall, today's market reflects a mix of inflation concerns, geopolitical uncertainty, central bank decisions, and company earnings. These factors will likely continue driving volatility in the days ahead, making risk management more important than ever for investors. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this market update, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest stock market news. See you in the next update.